Hello students, I am Meenakshi Khamkar, Computer Engineering Department, Vidyalankar Polytechnic. In this video, we will be studying how to study programs for online exam. We are studying chapter number 3, Event Handling. Program is Checkbox. Now in this program, output is, there are two checkboxes. First is cricket, football. When you select, it is giving tick symbol for both the check boxes. If you select cricket, it is displaying cricket true. If you select football, football true. If you again untick this option, then cricket is false. Football is also false. So how to write program for this output, for creating this output? As usual, for event handling, we require four things in program, four important things in program. First important thing is event handling package, which is java.awt.event.star. Previous two packages, java.awt.star, java.applet.star. These two packages are for displaying AWT controls. Next, HTML code is required for displaying applet output. In code, we write same name as a class name, checkbox demo, checkbox demo. Next, class name is checkbox demo. We are creating applet. Now for event handling, second required thing is event listener interface. So for checkbox, for button we have used action listener, for text field we have used action listener, for checkbox we are using item listener interface. We have to write implements item listener. Item listener, I is capital and L is also capital. You have to remember all these things for exam, because if you write, means if there is an error, find out errors and this in this program, and if this I is small, L is small, so it will produce an error in your program. So you should know all these minute things to solve such type of problems in exams. Next is we are creating two checkboxes, C1 and C2, using which class? Checkbox class. C is capital because it is Java defined class. Next, C1, first checkbox is C1, its caption is cricket, and second checkbox is C2, its caption is football. Now, one important thing, when you run this program, first checkbox cricket, it will be automatically ticked because we have written true over here. First checkbox will be automatically ticked, by default tick होके आएगा. And for second checkbox there will be no tick. Football, you can just check by running this program again. See, out in output you can check first checkbox is ticked automatically because in program we have given true option in first checkbox cricket. Okay. Next, after initialization of both the checkboxes C1, C2, add both the checkboxes C1 and C2 on applet window. Third required thing for event handling is registration of listener. We are registering both the checkboxes C1 and C2. Using which methods? Add item listener method. These are two methods, registration methods. So these methods are also same in each program. If you observe, you have to write add, and after that you should write listener name. If it is action listener, you should write action listener. Now in this program we are using item listener, so we are writing item listener and in bracket this. Okay, so these two lines are called as registration of listener. Why we register listener? To inform that we are going to tick these two check boxes. First check box football, first check box cricket, second is football. We are going to tick, or means we are going to perform some operations, some event that is informed by registration of listener, by these two lines. Fourth required things for event handling is method. In action listener, we use action perform method. In item listener, we are using item state change method with class item event and object is IE. So item state change is a method. You should remember I small, state S capital, change C capital. So first letter small, second word first letter capital, third word first letter capital. In this method we are calling repaint method, and in paint method we are displaying the output. What is our output? It should display cricket is equal to true, football is equal to true or false according to your selection. So how this output is displayed? Cricket. And how to display that true or false? C1 dot get state. C1 is name of checkbox dot get state method which will display true or false. Same thing for second checkbox football. Its state will be displayed using C2 dot get state. C2 is name of second checkbox. Get state will give you true or false. So this is the output of checkbox. Cricket true, football false. So for event handling, four things are required: package, listener, item listener, method, third is registration of listener, and fourth is item state change method. Now this method item state change is defined in which listener? Item listener. And this item listener is defined in which package? java.awt.event.start. That's why we have used all these things.